The TaoHFE Kids Kitchen Playset TF-101 is a comprehensive kitchen setup that includes a freezer, cordless phone, and microwave oven, providing a vivid cooking experience for children. Constructed from wood, this play kitchen is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that parents do not have to worry about stains. Measuring 33.38 inches by 11.61 inches by 34.96 inches, this spacious toy kitchen can accommodate multiple children, encouraging interactive play. The playset is thoughtfully designed with realistic cooking utensils such as spoons, pots, and tablecloths, making pretend play more immersive and enjoyable. Safety and durability are key features, as the kitchen is made from MDF and ABS plastic, providing a stable and sturdy structure that can withstand long-term use. With its charming appearance and lightweight design, the TaoHFE Kids Kitchen Playset can be easily moved and includes ample storage space with 4 cabinets and 2 open shelves.